This huge difference between English and German will surprise you. English and German are somewhat similar. There are many similar grammatical topics and vocabulary, but to learn words in German is like mission impossible for some beginners. Where should you start? What should you pay attention to? How to learn words correctly to save time? Simple explanation, good examples, useful tips. First of all German nouns are written with a capital letter. For example, das ist meine Frau. This is my wife. Ich brauche eine Jacke. I need a jacket. By the way, ich is written with a lowercase. Marie, Thomas und ich waren Freunde. Marie, Thomas and I were friends. It is necessary to learn the word with an article, because unlike English, the articles in German indicate the gender of a noun. These are German articles: der, die, das, die. M stands for masculine, F for feminine, N neuter, and plural form. For example, don't forget to make notes. Der Tisch is masculine. Die Blume, feminine. Das Auto, neuter gender. And die Menschen, plural form. Just memorize the article, and as a beginner, you shouldn't look for any logic here. Just learn the article by heart. Because different words have different plural forms. There are 5 ways of forming plural form in German language. So don't try to guess, just learn the article by heart. Learn the word in the singular and in the plural form. In the plural, all words have the article die. For example, singular and plural. Der Tisch, die Tische. Die Frau, die Frauen. Das Auto, die Autos. You see different endings. You can also use a short form in your vocabulary. For example, long form and short form. Die Tische, die, and the ending e. Die Frauen, die Autos. In some nouns, AOU will be changed to A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. Der Arzt, die Ärzte, or a short form. Der Aufzug, die Aufzüge. In some nouns, the singular and plural forms are the same, or there are no additional endings in these words. For example, der Lehrer, die Lehrer. So it is only necessary to change the article. Der Lehrer, die Lehrer. Der Fahrer, die Fahrer. Der Bruder, die Brüder. U is changed to U umlaut. Die Mutter, die Mütter. The same. Therefore, there are some prefixes in German which are separated and placed at the end of the sentence. Such examples you will see in videos about learning German vocabulary, German by listening. And this is the topic of future videos, but it is better to know this topic now. So, some of them are separated and placed at the end of the sentence. For example, aufstehen, to get up. Auf is one of these prefixes. Ich stehe 7 Uhr auf. I get up at 7 o'clock. Ankommen, to arrive. Wann kommt der Zug an? When does the train arrive? It is absolutely possible to learn German. You only need to learn this language gradually, step by step, and in a logical sequence. If you are interested in this, then welcome to my channel. Learn German with pleasure. And don't forget to subscribe, so you not miss new and interesting videos. See you next time. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Mal.